What's up, you guys? It's been a while since I've just sat down and just let my creativity just take me where I want. So I'm just gonna be messing around, try to distract myself from a little bit of the pain that I've been having. But I have a lot of new products to try out. I'm gonna be prepping my face first with the NYX Professional Face Base Primer Spray. I really like this one. It doesn't have a scent much, but it's just really hydrating. I'm not really going to be showing much of the base because it's boring, but I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation in 110 Porcelain. I really like this one. You don't feel like you're wearing anything, really. It's very light, it's durable, it lasts well, and it doesn't make you look like dry and crusty. So real quick, I went in with the Essence I Love Strobing Highlighting Eyeshadow Base. It's really nice. You can't really see much of a strobe, but I love Essence products. I love their eye primers. They don't, you know, crease because I have very like oily eyes. I think it was only like $2, so they're really affordable. And then this is the LA Girl Pro-Conceal in the shade Porcelain. It's a really good concealer. I think it was only like $3 or $4, and it covers up stuff just phenomenally. Doesn't matter what you use, a brush is fine. Powder my base because these things dry down pretty matte. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit Quickie contour stick, and I'm gonna really just focus most of the contour on my cheekbones because I really want to like a defined, exaggerated, sculpted face for this character. So as you can see, I look crazy right now because I took my Jumbo Milk Pencil by NYX. I finally gave in and bought it because all the other white eyeliners I've tried, they don't have pigment, but this one clearly does. I tight-lined and waterlined, scribbled across my lid and under my lash line, the inner corner. I just love the look of white eyeliner on your waterline, but I know that for this crazy look, I really want to go with bold white. So I'm going to blend this eye out and I'll be right back. So I already highlighted this side of my face, as you can probably tell with the Benefit High Beam. I got a small size because it literally, look at this. This small amount of product, $12. Ow. I shit you not. So I highlighted this side of the face just all over, and I'm going to do this side the same way. I did my brow, I did that. I'm just really globbing it on because I know that I want this character to have just a really high degree of highlight, and I just love how it's like got pink undertones. And I'm experimenting with using these like they look like condoms, but they're not. They're finger pots, and I want to see how they work with latex because I think I do want to do something with latex. This product is kind of hard to work with, kind of absorbed into the brushes and sponges I've used so far, so far these are working really nice. Set that all with my Makeup Revolution palette in Fair, and I'm going to take these two colors and I'm just going to set all the areas you just saw, mainly concentrating on the cheekbone. These highlighters are good, but they are kind of like subtle. Like if I swatch one, you see that? Like, it's not stunning. I'm not trying to be like super wearable, so as you can see, I've got like a really dramatic bronze going on. I just went in with this shade here with my e.l.f. Kabuki brush, and I just literally buffed it in like that. I just want to look super bronze before I go in with blush. What is Valentine's without a shit ton of blush? My LA blush, LA Girl blush here. This came in a kit. I have no clue what the shade is, but it's bright pink. I got this Makeup Revolution Vivid Baked Bronzer. It's beautiful. It's got a nice shimmer. It cracked on the way home. It's more of a purple blush, if anything. I know that sounds weird, but I like purple tone blushes on myself. I really like them, and I'm gonna just layer a bunch on my nose and the bottom of my chin, sides of my jaw. We're gonna go ham with the blush. So, as you can see, I just went in with my blush and my kabuki brush, and I just buffed out a bunch of blush where you would normally contour your contour line, and I buffed underneath my jaw and kind of wrapped around. Make sure to blend down your neck. And then I took a fluffy brush, this is a smaller one, and I went up and down right here. I went underneath my bottom lip. I went on top slightly right here and right here. I focused right there on like the indent of your nose, and then I kind of did like a contour thing, trying to use a light hand to purposely get a very like soft, diffused. Taking my e.l.f. Duo Baked highlighter and bronzer, and I'm using this side, and I'm just gonna take it and layer on top just the very like high points. And here's where the magic happens with the nose. You see that? I don't know if it's picking up on camera, but damn, my brows are just like really thick brows with, I got this pomade. It's the NYX Tame Frame Tinted Brow Pomade in the shade Chocolate, and it's a really amazing pomade. I'm surprised. It looks like your regular old pomade, but when used with a thin brush, your brows look amazing. So as you can see, things got really crazy with this brow. We're going with it. So the first thing I did was I underlined, and like I said, messy is fine. Went in with my Born This Way by Maybelline in the shade Medium Brown. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is a crappy brush you don't care about, because we're going to be doing glitter. I scooped some regular old Vaseline on, and I'm literally just going to pat this on top of my brows. As gross as that sounds, it's important because we're going to be going in with red glitter, and this is a cheap and effective way to get a glitter glue. And then what I did, I took my Wet n Wild red pencil lip liner that's literally like as long as my forearm, and I took it and I just underlined my brows, and then with that same brush I'm just gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna show you how I got this cuteness on my cheek. The first thing I did is I took this Color Blur by Lip Studio Maybelline Cream Matte Pencil. It's the bright pink one, and I'm gonna wind it up a little. And it's cute, it's like a little wind up crown like you had in elementary school that were like super big back in the day. Nobody probably knows what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take a brush and just blend that in a circular motion. And then I did a little bit of red liner right around the edges, kind of slipping it under like a stencil. And then I'm taking this lighter LA Girl blush. Blech. It doesn't have a shade name because it came from a kit. Sorry. It's just basically like a very light, bright pink compared to that hot pink that we were using. And I'm just going to set it, everything, and then kind of blend out the edges as well. Taking a tissue and I sprayed it with some water, and I'm just gonna too much at the edges. Take my black NYX Liquid Suede. I'm going to take some of this, the eye primer. I'm going to set the center of my lip with the lightest shade, my Highlight Palette.